Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar and to the 50s and 60s. We have Elliot, James, Reay, I Can Stay Away. We have some rhyme going on here, James, Reay, Stay Away. Anyway, it's nice to do songs with Elliot, James Reay, this talented young artist. Is very magnetic. I love his style songs and voice, everything about him. So let's learn this great song. We have a great setup as well. Cape on second, absolute must here in my opinion. I love that chord combination here. So put that cape on second. Let's go over the 5 chords needed. So we're gonna start with A first. A goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Next chord, next 2 following chords are bar chords. So we have F sharp minor first. That's a bar in the 2nd fret. You push down all strings there. And then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. That's F sharp minor. Then we have the B minor, still a capo, or sorry, a bar on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here if you don't want to for this specific B minor chord. But the 5 strings below you have to, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. And there you have the B minor. Then we have E next, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E, and finally we have the D. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So we're going to look into the strumming here now, and we have one main strumming pattern. So the first chord started will be A, so grab that one, and one train round will be like this. So you're going to start with one down first, and then comes down up, and then up down. That's it. Down, down, up, down. And if you get some feeling and want to take off sometimes, you can end with, instead of just up, down, you can end with up, down, up, like this. So up, down, up. But the main pattern will be just up, down, and you have this very specific strumming pattern in the song. Now, let's go into the song starting with the first verse. We're going to play A, 1 string around, F sharp minor 1, B minor 1, and E 1. And that will be pretty much the main chord progression in this song. So A, F sharp, B minor, and E, 1 string around per chord. You're going to play first 2 rounds of this. So A, F sharp, B minor, E. Again. Okay, that's the first verse. Into the pre-chorus now, I'll be smiling, and that will be at 20 seconds in. And guess what? You're going to play exactly the same for another 2 rounds. Don't have to go that route now. We know how to play it. So that's the pre-chorus, and then into the chorus. That happens about 34 seconds in. But when you look that good, that's what this thing's about. Now, we're going to use the D first, and what you're going to play here will be this. So it's basically 3 downs. The first down, I play on the bass strings a little bit. Try to get that D string and perhaps the G. So 1 small down on the bass. And then you answer with 2 downs on the higher strings. So bass, top, top. Then you go to E and play 1 string around. And then you go to A and play the same technical style as in the D. So bass, top, top. And then to F sharp minor, 1 string around. And then you go to D again and play the same bass, top, top. And then on the E, finally, you just play 1 down with a pause. And that pause builds up for the post-chorus part that comes right after here. So I want to play this chorus for you as it is from the beginning, and you're going to play only for this 1 round we just learned. So it goes like this. right. Now, post-chorus parts, 45 seconds in, and that is we're gonna play A, 1 string around, F sharp minor, 1 string around, B minor, 1 string around, and then on finally E, you're gonna play 3 fast downs plus a pause. So that will be A, F sharp, B minor, and now E, and pause. And I play these 3 downs, and I like to mute the strings. I just lean finger in front of the strings I'm holding down, like the little pinky, just lean on the strings in front, or just lean my strumming hand on top of the strings. So maybe you can do both as well. So just kill the sound after the 3 downs, and that will start a new round, the second round. So speaking of that, no news pretty much in that second round. The verse play, the pre-chorus play, and even the chorus play will be played exactly in the same way. And also actually the post-chorus parts. So all these parts we just learned, just repeat them in the same way. And after the second post-chorus part comes a bridge. We can have this at 1 minute and 37 seconds in. And what you're gonna play here is just basically 1 round of the verse play or pre-chorus. It's played in the same way. So A1, F sharp 1, B minor 1, E1, and 1 round of that. Then follows the third chorus, okay? And that is just repetition as well, played in the same way as the previous choruses. And then finally we have the outro parts. So the outro, it goes like this. You're gonna play that part for 3 times, okay? So that was the end of the chorus. Remember, we had D, bass top top, and 1 down on E. You're gonna play that for 3 times, so like this. And then it continues with A, 1 string around, F sharp minor, 1 string around, B minor 1, E1. And then you end with A1, F sharp minor 1, B minor 1, and then 3 fast downs on the E. And that is the time where it sings I Can't Stay Away. And that, my friends, is how you end this cool song from Elliot James Reay. And yeah, a pretty straightforward song, I would say. 5 chords, pretty much 1 string pattern through this entire song. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. I like this thumbs up and comments. I read everything. So just interact with me, guys. Very welcomed. See you soon. Play tuned.